If you've got COPD, there's a lot you can do to reduce the symptoms. Now, one of the symptoms of COPD that may be causing the breathlessness is the build-up of mucus in your lungs. And as you know, it's difficult to cough it up. And when it becomes difficult, you can get an infection. So this is why you often get bronchitis going along with the COPD. So to get rid of the bronchitis and to clear your airways, I'm going to show you now exactly how to do it. As you can see, I've just done a small drawing here to represent your lungs. These are your lungs. You've got COPD, so you know the symptoms. You're feeling breathless. But one of the complications or symptoms of COPD is that you start to get congestion in your lungs. Now what's happening is mucus starts to build up in your lungs, which isn't too bad, because what you can do, you start to cough, and you want to cough and get the stuff off your lungs, but it's hard, as you know. And what makes it even worse, if this mucus stays there for too long, it starts to be a breeding ground for bacteria, yeasts and molds, and then you start to get a chest infection or bronchitis. So then it becomes even more serious, because your lungs are weakened, your lung function's weakened, and you start to get even more bacteria now breeding in your lungs, and you're in a lot of pain, it's coughing, and it's very difficult to breathe. So what can you do? Well, there's two things you can do. You can introduce homeopathic ingredients which will encourage, well, they'll do two things. It'll encourage your immune system to become stronger, to kill off these parasites, and it'll actually kill off the parasites itself. And then you can introduce plant extracts. You can actually breathe in a remedy, tiny particles of plant extracts, where these particles come in through your mouth, down into your lungs. You breathe them in, and as you breathe them in, they kill off the parasites on contact. So you breathe them into your lungs, and then as they kill off the parasites, you'll cough this loosened up phlegm and mucus. You'll cough it out, and then you'll repeat the process again 3 times a day. You'll breathe in, the stuff goes into your lungs and kills off the bacteria, yeast and molds on contact, and it loosens up the phlegm. And then, because the phlegm's looser, you cough it out, and can you see what's happening to your lungs? It's clearer. So to go over that again, the bacteria and yeast and molds in your lungs, you breathe in through steam, and these plant extracts and homeopathic remedy come in through steam, they go into your lungs, and then you cough it out again, and it's killed it on contact. Now if you want to know more about this remedy for relieving the symptoms of COPD, click the link below this video.